Goodyear Eagle 360 has three main capabilities which are really revolutionary. The first one, as you can notice, it is a sphere. Why a sphere? Because it is providing incredible maneuverability because it can roll and rotate in all directions. The second characteristic of Eagle 360 is that it is embarking electronics that are providing connectivity to the vehicle. Autonomous vehicles will have no driver, so someone needs to inform the car about ambient conditions, about road conditions. Eagle 360, thanks to its sensors, will do that. And then the third characteristic is that Eagle 360 will be connected to the vehicle through magnetic levitation. So there will be no mechanical contact between the sphere and the body of the car, but it will be a field of magnets that will carry the weight of the vehicle. The main advantage will be that it allows that all direction rotation, and then the second advantage is that it is providing enhanced comfort to the passengers of the vehicle.